Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add progress bar in Clickup. So first thing what you will do guys is simply go ahead and go to your spaces, and after that you can just simply go to your folders and just simply go to one of your list. Now here on your list you can just simply select customize over here, and here on the drop down you can just simply go ahead and select fields over here. And now you should be able to see here progress, and if not, we just simply use the search bar over here and search for progress. Now from here you will have three options. You can go for progress update, progress auto, or progress manual. So pretty much this will be depending on you. So guys, I'm gonna go for progress auto, and now just simply provide a field name. I'm gonna go for progress bar for example, and after that just simply provide a task completion. So just simply filter it out on what do you want to have a progress bar. And after that guys, you can just simply select more settings and permissions, and you will have more detailed options over here. And once you are done, you can just simply click on create, and you will have the progress bar as you can see over here. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more guys, and if you do, just simply leave a like, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And if you have any, thanks for watching. See ya.